Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. Today we're looking at reverse warrior. This is very often a part of a flow which is sometimes called a dancing warrior, where you go from a warrior 2 to a reverse warrior and then to an extended side angle. So you're really flowing with the breath in this nice, beautiful yogic dance. But the thing to remember about a reverse warrior is that you want to make sure that only your upper body is moving. The whole lower body stays exactly as it is. And you need to know how to do a warrior 2. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out that video. I'll put it in the description below. And when you're ready, let's get started in a standing position. So let's get started in a warrior 2. So let's take a nice big step with one foot. Just a really quick little recap. Make sure the toes of the front foot are pointing towards the front. Toes of the back foot pointed towards the side of the mat. Hands on your hips. Make sure the hips are really nice and open towards the side of the mat and sink down. Remember, ultimately, we're looking for that 90-degree angle with the thigh, and that's what really starts to build strength. So really sink your hips down. Now, when you're ready, go ahead and reach your arms out. So remember, your arms are parallel towards the mat. Your gaze is towards your front fingers. Take a nice big inhale here. Exhale, we're just gonna sink down. Your next inhale, I want you to flip your palm, reach it forward slightly, and as you exhale, you're gonna reach now that top arm back. So you're reaching it back towards the back of the mat, and your hand that's on your leg, you're gonna slide it down your leg. Now make sure here that you still have that really nice big bend through the front knee and that you're pressing into the outer edge of that back foot. Let's take a big breath. Exhale, can you sink a little bit more? Reach those fingers at the top so you feel that nice side body stretch. Take one more inhale here. And exhale, we're gonna come into our warrior 2 and let's step it back. And we'll meet now in our seated position. So how was that reverse warrior for you? There are just a few little things I want you to watch out for in this pose. And the first and main thing is that you really keep that front knee bent as you reach that top arm back. So make sure your knee doesn't start to come up. Bend that front knee and eventually think about bringing your thigh parallel to the top of the mat, making that 90-degree angle. It's hard and it's tough, I know, but just build up to that. The second thing I want you to make sure you're doing is really pressing into that back foot. So make sure that back foot doesn't start to cave in a little bit. Press into the skinny edge of the foot. And finally, that arm that's reaching up and overhead, make sure that you're really reaching through the fingertips. So make sure that arm isn't just hanging out on top of your head. When you reach properly through the fingertips, you're gonna feel a really nice side body stretch. And we're gonna be putting all of that together in a dancing warrior, adding extended side angle tomorrow. So make sure you check that out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class. Snap a picture of yourself and post it on Instagram and tag me at Rosie Yogi so I can see how you did in your pose.